Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see how we can handle opening up of a new window or switching to a new window using CITS. The process is exactly how it is in Selenium, but the only difference with CITS is it would be a scriptless smooth process. So here's a sample application where if we click on this hyperlink here, it takes us to a new window. The context automatically switches to the new window. Now, if we have to simulate this behavior with kids, first we would start the recording. So we'll create a new scenario in kids called new window and a test case underneath TC1, and then let's start the recording. Open. This will create the step to open the browser. Then it will click on the hyperlink, and then uh, it will automatically change the context to the new window. However, via automation, we have to change the context to the new window. But we would create an assertion over here to validate that the context has switched. So I'm going to say right click, and then through this extension, I'm going to say text assert element text equals. Okay, so this is the test case that can be created via recording, but between 2 and 3 we have to insert the uh, the switching of the context to the new window. There are multiple ways of doing this. So if I say browser and if I say switch to sorry switch to window, then I will have the option of switching to window by index. So in this case, the default window is having index 0 and the new window will have index 1. So I can say switch to window by index, and I can say @1, or I can try to switch to window by title. So the title would be new window, whatever you see on the top. Now, followed by title, we have certain string matches like title contains, title ends with, title matches, title starts with, which are also really cool functionalities to have. I'm going to use switch to window by title, and it would be new window. Yeah, so that's all that we would perform. We would have the dummy step uh, to run this in a to add a breakpoint here and run this in a debug mode. A breakpoint here and a breakpoint at number 2. Now it will so I'm going to run this test case 2 times. For the first time, I'm going to use index, so I will not use the title, so I will comment it out. So I have commented out the 4th step. So I'm only going to use index, and the second time we will use title. Okay, let's save this, close this, and let's give it a run. Okay, the browser has opened. We'll open up the console and click on next. Right, so it has clicked on the click here hyperlink, and this new window has opened up. Now let's see if the context is switched or not. So next step, it says WebDriver has switched to the new window using the index at the rate 1. Okay, so it has switched um, to the 0 and 1, to the second window, and then next, and then it says that this Windows text is new window. So it is successfully able to identify this element on the new window, which is great. Now we finished this test case and we are going to run this test case once more. This time we are going to use um, the title and not the index. I've commented out the index step and enabled the title step. Okay, so let's give it a shot again. Open up the console. Next, so it clicks on the click here anchor, and now we are in a new window. And then let's see if it is able to switch to the new context or not. So it says that uh, the WebDriver has switched to the new window using the title new window, which is cool. And then it also says that the assertion is successful because it is able to find this element. Very good. So this is how we can handle switching to new windows using kits. As you can see, it was a very simple and easy technique. See you all in the next video.